In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine hand drawings with AI art in OpenArt. We'll turn a simple sketch into a polished image while keeping the charm of your original lines. I'll walk you through the exact path in the interface and share practical tips so your results look intentional and professional. Start on the OpenArt homepage and look toward the left panel. That's where the main creative tools live. Open the image category to reveal the options specific to pictures and transformations. From there, choose Sketch to Image. This is the feature designed to interpret your line work and generate a finished piece based on your directions. Now add your drawing. You can upload or drag and drop your file right into the window. High contrast sketches with clean backgrounds work best, so if you're photographing a page, use good lighting and avoid shadows. If you're just testing the workflow, you can also pick one of the provided examples to see how the settings behave before using your own art. Next, describe your preferred output in the text prompt. Be clear about subject, style, materials, lighting, mood, and background. For example, ink sketch turned into a cinematic, high-detail illustration with soft rim lighting and a misty forest backdrop. The more specific and visual your language, the better the model can translate your intent. You'll see a control that balances similar and creative. Slide it towards similar if you want the AI to cling tightly to your original lines and proportions. Move it toward creative if you're open to bolder reinterpretations, new textures, or added details. It's a powerful way to decide how much the AI should innovate. Choose a style to set the overall aesthetic. This acts like a preset that influences brushwork, texture, and finish, while your prompt and sketch keep the direction anchored. If you like, you can also pick a color theme. This is optional but handy for nailing a consistent palette or matching brand colors without rewriting your prompt. If you have a photo reference, maybe for materials, lighting, or a character, upload it below. Clear, well-lit references give the model stronger guidance and can help unify realism or texture with your sketch. Set how many images you want to generate. More images mean more variety, but also more time and usage. Starting with a small batch helps you iterate quickly. When you're ready, click Create. Give it a moment to process, then review the results. If something feels off, refine your prompt. Nudge the similar creative balance, or try another style and run it again. That's it. Your hand-drawn ideas, elevated with AI in OpenArt.